Hi, Tyler Wood, Technical Sales Specialist with Guardian Telecom. Here today to talk to you about some of the other new features and designs that we're working with here at Guardian Telecom and implementing into our products on a regular basis, just so you guys know what we've been up to. What I've got in front of me today is our DTT-50, and this particular model in front of me is an analog device. But again, with anything Guardian Telecom, we're going to have all sorts of different options for you. So it's available analog, VoIP. It's also available in general area as with this product, but also in hazardous area with any number of ratings, whether it's UL, ATEX, IEC-EX. So we're lots of different options. One of the nice things about this is obviously the main reason that we redesigned this was to give it a little more sleek and sophisticated design, as you can see against our previous model. This was again for the DTT-50, but you know what it used to look like. With Guardian Telecom, you're not buying a garden variety product, and so everything that we do is for industrial grade atmospheres, which don't exactly you know, operate the same manner as your typical office environment. But you know, what we do is we build in a lot of these characteristics, and we're trying to now make them a little more sleek and modern, what the typical user nowadays is looking for. But with this product, you get a lot of different features that we typically create as options, or you know, have expanded the capabilities of this particular product over some of our other phones. As you'll see here, we've got, for instance, a 20-button keypad. This gives you a lot more of the feature set that you're used to with a desk phone versus some of the other products that we have, which is a typical 12-button keypad. So you've got a speakerphone capability as well as the handset here. But you're going to have link, release, redial, some memory keys, things like that that give this a little more functionality that you're going to be more looking for in that office type atmosphere, but still in that harsh environment. Another nice thing about this product is it is desk or wall mountable, so this base is removable, and you swap it around basically, and all of a sudden the phone is a desk mount versus a wall mount. With that, you might want to take off our removable retainer clips here that keep the handset where it needs to be on a wall mount, and allow you to have that easier use case if it's on a desk and you may not require that extra, you know, a grip on the handset. Within that handset, there's a noise canceling mic, which is standard in this model, optional in our other products. Within this device, there's also a ring detect relay, or RDR, built in, which is another option that we sell external to our other devices. This can switch up to a 240 VAC input voltage and a 5 amp device for your external beacons or ringers. And again, when you have a background noise that might exceed the roughly 85 dB of the ringer output on this thing at a meter, you may need that just to give that external indication. As well as offering that, we have an entry point on the side here that would offer up the ability to install a headset. So again, if even further uses or measurements are required to be able to work with the background noise that's in your facility, you know, we're certainly able to accommodate that. We've got some other entry points here on top of the device as well, or maybe it's the bottom if you wall mount this. But what those are for is, again, those external indications, whether it's a ringer or a strobe, which we can certainly supply for you as needed. It eliminates the need for another external junction box, because you can just use this housing for its own junction box. Again, minimizes wiring, points of failure, things like that. That's going to make that install a heck of a lot easier for you. Again, what you'll notice with Guardian Telecom is, again, we're trying to accommodate as much as we can from that use case scenario. So very, very diverse product, very, very user-friendly product with a bunch of options, and we're certainly willing to talk more about anything your site may have specifically, whether it's a color of a housing or something like that that might be a little more unique. We'll certainly talk to you about that and make sure that this product is suited for your environment. Give us a call, look us up online. We're more than happy to chat with you, one of my colleagues or myself directly, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.